Hello there, everybody. This is my first video uh, since if you've been watching my other posts, or maybe not, uh, I am taking the complete currency trader course, and I'm going to document what's in the course as we go through. I did make a post on my blog the other day that talked about how when you first turn on the course, they have a webinar from February 1st of earlier this year, 2013, which I watched it. It was a long one. It was 157 minutes, and there was a lot of traders on there that had questions about his software that he uses, and what do you do in this situation? What do you do in this situation? So I was kind of curious as to why it was the first thing he wanted you to watch, but as it went along, it just kind of it started to make sense. Um, but then after watching that, I started to go through I real quick we went through all the things that are in the course, and then I'm going to start going through one by one. Now today, what I did, I read the next thing you see after you see the videos, there's a course introduction with a foreword, and the foreword just kind of, he kind of just hypes you up about. Um, it actually says there's a quote. It says this course is dedicated to all those individuals who dare to dream, to have the courage to take the necessary actions to make those dreams a reality. Um, and he tells you about the dedication that's required, and then he gives you a brief introduction. I read through the whole introduction of the course. He talks about. I'll read to you here. The package you have access today is proven to be the format which produces the fastest and most reliable results. And this is his belief, obviously. And he says you have to understand the market and all its intricacies before you can contemplate the risks involved. You must be able to identify and appreciate risks before you can develop a business plan. You have to have a business plan before you can proficiently execute a trading system. You have to be able to execute the trading system consistently before you can expect to earn long-term profit. And you can only profit long-term if you take a thorough and structured approach to learning to trade, which is true. I concur with everything he says there. So that was basically what I've done so far. I watched the introduction video. I did browse through all the other things quickly. The next topic is on Forex knowledge. Then he has another topic on understanding risk, leverage, margin calls, catastrophic loss. Then he goes into how to set up a Forex business plan, because when you're trading, it's going to be as a business. Then, of course, money management, which I think is very important. Then he outlines his whole trading system, has some videos of actual trades that he did, uh, and then he has some more training videos, and he calls that trading training. Then he has a success formula. The trading software is then you have to download his software, and there's some calculators, and then also some daily trades that he has listed there. So we're going to go through it all, and this course is very expensive, but we're going to see if it's worth it. So make sure you watch the webinar to get an overview, and then you follow along with me. And believe me, I'll be honest. If it's something that I would recommend to somebody, I'm trying to look at it from the point of view of being somebody who wants to become a trader, somebody who wants to learn how to trade, and because I'm sure that's what a lot of people are interested in doing. So until tomorrow, bye bye.